In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new profile in Brave browser. By the end, you'll have a clean, separate space for your bookmarks, history, extensions, and settings. Perfect for keeping work and personal browsing apart, or for sharing a computer without mixing things up. First, open your Brave browser. Any window or tab will do. You just need to be in Brave to access the menu we're about to use. Now, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu. Click it to open the menu. This is where Brave keeps most of its tools and settings, and it's the quickest way to create a new profile. When the menu drops down, move your mouse over the option labeled More Tools. Don't click yet. Just hover your cursor over it. A side menu will slide open with additional options. In that side menu, click Add New Profile. This tells Brave you want a separate browsing space. A new setup window will appear, guiding you through the basics of creating it. Here, you'll be asked to name your new profile, and you can choose an icon to go with it. Pick a clear, memorable name that matches how you plan to use it, something like work, personal, gaming, or school. The icon is more than just decoration. It helps you quickly spot the right window when you have multiple profiles open. Choose one that stands out to you so you can tell profiles apart at a glance. Once you've set the name and selected an icon, click Done. Brave will create the profile and open it in a fresh window. You'll notice it looks like a brand new browser. No existing bookmarks, no history, and no extensions. That's the point. Each profile is its own space, so changes you make here won't affect your other profiles. From here, you can browse normally. Over time, you can customize this profile with specific bookmarks, themes, or extensions that fit its purpose. If you ever need to switch back to another profile, look near the top right of the browser for the profile icon, or return to the main menu to manage profiles. If you don't see the Add New Profile option in your menu, the wording may vary slightly by operating system or Brave version, but it's usually located under More Tools. And that's it. You've successfully created a new profile in Brave, giving you a cleaner, more organized browsing experience tailored to your needs.